taking the shit, right? You wipe your ass. Then you put the toilet paper in the trash can.
I wish this motherfucker was lying, but he's not. Like, real shit. The Spanish people do this shit. These motherfuckers be collecting doo-doo paper. Spanish people gonna be like, why you acting like you not Spanish? I know I'm Hispanic. Look at my face. I got a Spanish-ass face. I got a motherfucking empanada face. But I'm not that Spanish. I'm not doo-doo paper collector Spanish. You feel me? I'm domesticated. Shit, I wanna know the same shit Takeoff wanna know. Shit, there's some paper left on this side. I'm gonna save it for later. Some nasty ass shit. My grandma used to get mad as a motherfucker because I used to flush my motherfucking toilet paper. Listen, lady, I'm sorry if you had a rough upbringing and shit, but I was born in America. I didn't have to take shits in motherfucking teepees and huts and shit. Don't look at me crazy because I flushed the motherfucking toilet. No. You the one with hut butt. I don't got hut butt. For why'd you flush the toilet when you know you have the garbage right there? Because when it got stuck, dude, you don't face it.